Oh, hello. Today I'm going to make lunch and we are making crispy chicken sandwiches. So I bought some chicken breasts, the crispy kind, from the grocery store. Okay? So I'm going to put them into the air fryer. Okay, so I'm going to do 3 today. There we go. So I had them into the air fryer, and then I'm going to set it 400 for 7 minutes. And we'll see if that will be done then. Alright, so my chicken sandwiches are done from the air fryer. I like mine more crispy. You can also cook your sandwiches in the microwave or oven. There's usually instructions on the back of the package. And then I have everything laid out for my sandwich building. So first I'm going to put on some of the sandwich sauce. You can also use mustard, mayonnaise, whatever you like for your sandwiches. So I'm going to put some on the bottom and then the top. I also toasted one of the sandwich breads, so that's an idea for you. Alright, 1 second here. Alright, this might be a better view for you guys. Okay, so first I'm going to put on my spinach. You can also use lettuce. And then I'm going to put on some sliced tomato. All right. Then I have the first sandwich is going to use Swiss cheese. And I'm also going to put on the chicken part. And I'm going to put the cheese on top of the chicken. Riley's going to have American cheese on her chicken. And then I am going to do cheddar cheese on mine. And then if you do it right when the chicken comes out, then the cheese will be melted. All right. I'm using hamburger buns because this is what we have. You can just use regular sandwich, a bread loaf for your sandwiches. All right, then you just put the top bun on. And then, looks like you have good chicken sandwich for lunch. All right, bye-bye.